Have you heard about a Hong Kong company appointing a computer algorithm to its board of directors? Do you think that AI will run big companies of the future, saying nothing of seizing other positions? Indeed, artificial intelligence is the term that has been exciting humans' minds and imaginations during recent years. Some are fearfully claiming that AI will take jobs from people all around the world. Others are confident that machines will successfully work for hand in hand with humans, but not replace us. In today's video, we are talking about artificial intelligence and its ability to replace human intelligence. Stay with us and see a very popular, but also an interesting topic. But before the video starts, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos like this. Let's get started. In the beginning, let's explain what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence programmed into machines. A computer or robot can do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence. While in the beginning, AI started as machines performing only trivial human tasks and enhancing the speed of production processes, or computers teaching themselves how to play chess better. It has evolved greatly throughout the years. AI can be seen everywhere today. It enhances most phone cameras to allow better pictures, helps us manage our finances, and is integrated into our daily lives in many ways. But besides helping us automate our world and enhance the efficiency of jobs, which a computer intelligence is expected to be able to do, there are examples of AI coming closer and closer to human intelligence. Could our grandparents 100 years ago have predicted the arrival of artificial intelligence? I bet they couldn't. With robots being able to participate in conversations and even quizzes, or producing paintings and music and exhibiting creativity in different forms, even coming close to mimicking human emotions, one can start to wonder what the future of AI will bring to us. AI specialists today are focusing on ways to overcome such disasters in building the algorithms and improving AI's ability. With accurate data, we soon might be able to improvise AI technology that will coexist with our human ethics and efficiencies. But it seems that this development will take years. However, no matter how much artificial intelligence develops and robots do jobs instead of humans, be sure that they will not be able to replace human intelligence. And here are a few reasons why. Number 1. AI-based machines don't have emotional intellect. Emotional intellect is what we can be proud of. We can express feelings, show emotions, and read people immediately. Artificial intelligence systems are fast, rational, and accurate. They are not intuitive, empathetic, or culturally sensitive, and it is exactly these abilities that humans possess, and which make us effective. Only a human can read a face and instantly know the right thing to say. Number 2. AI isn't smart enough to do creative work. With more AI in the world, humans get a chance to take on increasingly creative jobs. It is not only about the creative sector. Even in finance or coding, we need to be more creative to begin and fulfill great projects. Companies are realizing that the true potential of AI is to amplify their employees' skills by replacing repetitive, error-prone, manual tasks with intelligent, automated solutions. Employees can spend more time doing creative and higher priority tasks. Number 3. People can build relationships, while AI will never be able to do it. Emotional commitment and bonds with the team members are the most important part of the employee's engagement, showing how much we care about our work and our company. Relationships also help us find partners and clients, as humans tend to work with people they like. But this emotional side of our behavior is unattainable to machines. Number 4. People can show empathy, while AI will never display it. The list of all types of emotions that people experience is nearly endless, and we can hardly imagine AI showing all expressions and reading other people's emotions better than a human can do. A lot of jobs require establishing trust and a human-to-human connection to get people to relax, open up, and share about themselves. AI-based machines are capable of imitating human speech, but they don't have empathy and are missing that human touch. Number 5. AI can't think outside the box and their code. These days, AI can't find creative ways of solving various emerging problems because their code does not allow it. Robots are programmed to work within their frame. It is possible that someday a machine will be able to think on its own, but in the real world, this will not be achieved soon. Artificial intelligence isn't capable of analyzing context, thinking critically through complicated scenarios, developing complex strategies. Teams and organizations are constantly interacting with the external environment, but AI can only process data that has been entered into its system. Unlike humans, it can't take into consideration the influence from the outside. As we can see, the world's AI technology is still far from the human-like intelligence portrayed in popular science fiction. Despite all the hype, most AI computers are designed to be very good at solving a specific problem in the context of a very particular data system. Human creativity, insight, and contextual awareness, on the other side, are key to making AI work. The reason for this is simple. Humans will continue to deliver value that machines are not capable of. We can sum up that AI's abilities will complement us rather than replicate us. That is why top-tier and forward-thinking organizations start using AI to enhance organizational agility, productivity, and experiences. Overall, we can see the potential that more jobs will be created with further AI development. Someone has to create all those AI robots and all other possible types of algorithms. Moreover, people will have more opportunities to try new jobs that do not exist yet. What do you say? Do you feel better now that you know that artificial intelligence will not replace human intelligence? Although you have to admit that one robot would be welcome to everyone, right? And until we all get one robot, tell us your opinion in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell button so you don't miss the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.